So easy, I think now I'll now concentrate more on the business side of me and the relationship side of me. By the day, I'm single, but I'm not searching. So nikwambie, walikuwa wanangojea heartbreak. Can we talk? We have a conversation. Going to heal. Na tumewadi Bible verses. All zinakuja hivi in line. Not men, madem. Kuna wenye acha niseme like 70% of wenye wananicall na wenye wanaongea ni kama wamefurahia tu, ni kama walikuwa wanangoja.
Lately, Pluto and Felicity's relationship has been full of ups and downs, and it got everyone talking. Many Kenyans have been questioning their relationship because it's been quite challenging. People have been saying that Pluto might have been mistreating Felicity, and their problems were worse than what they showed on camera. Now, there are new reports claiming that Felicity may have cheated on Pluto. It said that while Pluto was away, he came back home and found Felicity in bed with another man. This could have been the final straw that ended their relationship. The news has shocked many, and people are wondering how this will affect their view of the couple.
I'm the ex-boyfriend to Felicity Shiro. He's a friend of mine right now because we are still we're making conversation, like we can still talk. But then I decided to end the relationship some days ago. When I did it in a very mature manner, I believe. This is what I did. I called her, tukakaa chini, and I told her that I want to give you a break because I have been feeling that things are not okay, not for the last 2 days, but since the time we started dating. I want you to understand this. I'm giving you a break so that maybe you can think what you want. Think of the kind of a guy that you want. Because from my side, I just want to be with someone who knows my worth, someone who appreciates me for who I am, and someone who doesn't take me for side. Because we both played a role towards the end of this relationship. How did we play a role? Because when she realized that I was rushing things, by the way, I realized na rush vitu. When she realized I was rushing things, she never told me that I'm rushing things. So for me, I rushed, but she never talked about it. So things were not tense. You understand? So me, I was like, if you guys have my number, nilikuwa nimeachana even with my previous contacts, more than 8,000 people in my previous phone. And even you guys, if you have my contact, you can tell, like, for the last 2-3 months, you never saw any of my status. I was only communicating through YouTube channel and by Instagram. And furthermore, she had passwords to my phone. So after ku-reevaluate venye alikuwa ananiambia to be friends, so I was like, hiyo time tumekuwa tuna date pale hivyo social media, tumekuwa tukifanya nini? Tumekuwa tukichoma mahindi. You understand? I think I gave her everything because I don't think there is any day that they mistreat. She can confess to this. She can go even live through her Instagram and tell you guys, because I already gave her a chance to go live through my YouTube channel and tell people what happened, because eventually watu wangeuliza, washinda wakiuliza, and eventually tunge come out. Kidogo, then tunarudi man. It was not easy. Lakini for me, a 5 was not so bad, but I loved her at 10 out of 10. Until now I still love her, you know. It's life. You guys, I don't want you to talk ill of my ex-girlfriend. No, I don't want you to talk ill about her.